Hey, what's going on everybody, it's me Gamer back for another video. Today I'll show you a redstone tutorial on how to build this. A very nice looking, except for this one and this one, but that's what the decoration's for. Train system, so like a subway system, it goes here, it stops, then you can press the button and it moves on. I will also show you how to make it automatic, but that would be for later. So let's get started. So these are the resources you're gonna need. The top layer, this layer, and this layer is the essentials, and this layer is my recommended decorations, but the amount is not specific. It's up to you on how much you want to do because it's your own decorations, but these are the essentials up there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna grab those first. You can see, and also I'm also gonna give myself a minecart to show representation of how this works. Now that we have a minecart, let me show you how this works. So first you get in, and when you come here, okay, you stop, then you press this button and you move on. Very cool, very cool. So okay, so let's say the rail is here and you want your train station to be, let's say here, you want to stop here, put that there, and since this is going in this direction, we would want to put a sticky piston over here. Put a redstone torch on the set sticky piston so it extends to this block. Next dig down 2 blocks below the rail and put one sticky piston, put back the stone brick or whatever block choice. This stone brick can be whatever blocks you choose. Next, put an obsidian over here, as you can see, and we want to make just like a little wall here. Oh, and also I forgot to say that we're gonna need one button of any type, but wooden is I prefer wooden, but you can use whatever type you want, and the button can be placed anywhere as long as it's not above the powered rail. So next you're going to connect this, and you see where the powered rail is. Behind it, put one repeater facing it. Okay, next we're going to want to connect this, change this. We're going to need to go into the ground and see where that sticky piston is. It's over here, so put a block here, and put a repeater. Here's to show you. Sticky piston there, block beside it, repeater pointing towards that block. Sorry for the interruption. Put it to 4 ticks, put a block behind it, and put a redstone dust. So now we need to connect this all up, of course. And of course we need to somehow depower it, so we can do this and that. So next off, we're gonna do this, so we're able to power it down and yet power all of these things, and there we go. It should be fully functional. Let me test, and there you go. Oh wait, sorry, I made a mistake here that I need to correct. So here it's powering itself in infinite loop, so just swap these two around, put the repeater on 4 ticks here, and put the redstone dust in front of said repeater. Now it should work perfectly fine. And there you go. So now you can make as many of these as you want in different places, but let me just show you it works. So imagine you come to station 1, you stop, you're like, okay, let me move on now. Do that and you move on to this station. Okay, simple enough. The decorations I will show you in another world where we have a established railway system and show you how it looks. Time to show you how to make this automatic. I'm back, and these are the resources needed. Stone brick, 1 redstone torch. The amount of comparators is depending on how long you want the minecart to stop for. 8 redstone, and oh wait, I forgot 1 detector rail. Sorry guys, just remember it's 1 detector rail. Try to get 1 here. Okay, 1 detector rail. So unfortunately I can't show you it for this station because they're too close to each other. You're not supposed to. There's no point in having a station this close, but I'm gonna show you with this one. Okay, first actually I should show you how it works. So you see here, it goes automatically. It goes around and it stops for a while, and after a while it just goes on again, giving you time to board or disembark. And okay, so first we need a detector rail, a bit of distance away from the stations. Next we need to go set up a redstone strength extender, basically right below the detector rail, right below the block or detector rail, put one redstone dust and one redstone dust side by side, and basically do this. The amount of comparators you see here, like for every pair comparator, it's a certain time. So if you want it to last very long, just put a lot of comparators. However, if you want to be very short, add less comparators. So here I use three comparators facing one way, 2 redstone dust side by side, and then 3 comparators that way. That's how you make a strength extender. Then just connect it up to a redstone torch and link the redstone torch to the system, and that's pretty much it. So let me show you how this will work. Okay, so let's imagine this station was always powered, and let's get my minecart out. And so imagine, you see I'm waiting for my train to come, and it's coming over, and it's here. I get in, it starts again, and I move on. So you can add as many of these stations as you want. There's no limit, but it must be in circle because this is a one-way system. You also want to ensure that you're not traveling too fast as to avoid this situation. So maybe here remove 1 or 2 of these rail so that you do not, because you must be on this rail or relatively close so that the block will actually boost you, as you can see. So yeah, let me show you the example of how you can build this and make this look nice. Catch you all in a second. So here we are on the Realm server, where we have built a similar rail system that's not finished. We only made it most of the way. By the way, that's my base, I made some improvements. So here's how we can make it look nice. First of all, the obsidian here cover it with push-up doors, put a sea lantern above, make it symmetrical, and like put some glass here. That's just my idea. The decoration can be as any design you want. And for the rails, we put some magenta glazed terracotta to show the direction of which the minecart goes. For the actual rail itself, we used the glass design and some sea lanterns along the way to light it up. So let me just quickly show you. You can use different designs for every station. It can be themed like this. The community-based station is just a normal stone brick. Well, this is my station, which is more like of a modern quartz look, as you can see. Next is my friend's station, which is more of like a sea station. So he uses prismarine and he integrates stained glass to like merge with this. To like it looks quite cool. Next, on the realms we didn't use the fully automatic version because it's a bit laggy and that might affect it, but if you're on a single player world or if it's not that many players, it's perfectly fine. So here we have a station inside the mountain, so it just looks the same because you can't really design much. It's inside the mountain. And the last station over here is the villager station, which is right next to the villager. And since it's like villagers are made of wood, we used spruce wood and dark oak wood to make this pattern, which in my opinion is pretty nice. See here with the double bridges on both sides and up there. So yeah, this is how you can design your stations. It's up to you. Once again, you see the obsidian here. Yep, so thank you all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, click the notification bell. This is purely my design, I didn't get inspiration from anyone else. Yeah, so bye.